Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today, boy, am I bringing you a cool wig. This is the Sheena wig by Envy in the color, one of my favorite brunettes, Amaretto and Cream, which is a really beautiful brown color. It has like a number 6 base with a really beautiful light brown highlight on top. Super, super pretty color. I've highlighted this color in the past. I just thought this would look really great on Sheena because of the way that Envy does their highlights. As you can see, almost all of the highlights are in the front and only on the topmost layers. That's the way with all of Envy's highlighted colors. It's fabulous because it leaves the dark color here at the nape, and it just makes it look very dramatic and brings out the most in all the layers on the top of this wig. Now, I just ran with the part as it came in the box, but you know, if you buy this wig, you can retrain it to go anywhere you want. It has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top, as well as a pretty nice lace front. Here, I'm gonna zoom in. Technology. All right, so here is the lace front. It's very dense, very, very, very dense lace front, and it goes all the way to the tip of that hair and then into the mono top. Beautiful color too, as you can tell. Forget the overhead lighting for a second and just look at the natural light coming through the window. You can see the beautiful contrast there. Okay, so lots of layering. Lots of hair. This is a heavy wig for a synthetic. This is a 6-ounce wig, and that's because you're getting a tremendous amount of hair. Just epic, epic amounts of hair. Oh my goodness, are you getting what you pay for? This wig's dynamite. It is a little wavier than I thought it would be. That might just be how it was packaged, or it could just be that this is how it's styled. It looks a little different than the manufacturer photo, but not by a lot. I mean, it still has the nice long bang. Lots and lots and lots of layers. If anything, you might want to consider this like a long wavy shag. Lots of layering, just, oh, so much layering, and you could do so much to bring that out. Oh, just, I love it. So darn pretty. Just great wig. This is 15.5 inches from the nape down. So that's a considerably long nape, or a considerably long wig. It's going to be quite long from the top all the way down to the bottom, more than 20 inches. So nice length on this one. I would consider this an ultra long, and I'll show you what I mean. It's a boob hugger. It's definitely on the girls there. The sides are 13 inches, so quite long layering there. The crown down, only 9, so you can see lots of variation in the layering there. Alan Eaton did a great job on this one. And the front, very long, meant to be swept off to the side, is 7.75 inches, but you could totally have a stylist cut a fringe bang into that. I would not recommend a blunt bang with this particular cut. Definitely fringe bang is the way to go. Very, 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 very cute. Let me show you the sides on this one. This wig is so incredibly cute that I listed this wig before I did this review. Like, I just listed all of the wigs that I bought for this series of review on the clearance section of my site. And within 7 minutes of me listing this wig, this one on my head, it sold. So this wig already has a home. It's just a really beautiful wig. Lots of hair, lots of layering, lots going on. Again, you can part it any way you want. Very, very, very pretty wig. Just, I can't get over it. It's too cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. This one is really well made. Very, very thick, dense lace front on this one. Generous monofilament top. Let me see if it's got any permatease. Really hunting for it. If it's here, it's going to be at the crown. No permatease at all. So this is a permatease free wig, which might be the main reason why they give you so much hair, because a lot of monofilament wigs that are long tend to flatten out really quickly under their own weight, because there's nothing structurally keeping that hair nice and voluminous. So they give you a lot of hair to kind of compensate for that. Lots and lots of layering. Very silky hair fiber. Just look at all that layering. That's crazy. Very, very pretty. The ear tabs are pretty standard ear tabs, but they're good for wearing glasses because they've got these spaces. This is not an extended nape wig, just has a little bit of elastic here. Not here at the back, but on the sides. So very plain back here. It is adjustable, kind of like a bra strap would be. And the material in the back is very stretchy. So I find this wig to be pretty darn comfortable on, even though it isn't exactly the stretchiest wig I've ever worn. It is generously sized enough that it accommodates my head painlessly. It's comfortable, like I said, though it is heavy, which means that it's going to be kind of hot. So you might want to keep that in mind if you're the kind of person that, you know, overheats quickly. But you're probably going to have that problem with a lot of long wigs, truth be told. I'm going to go ahead and pop this one back on my head. Now, I want to point something out, that even though this is fairly heavy for the quality of synthetic that it is, because this is a high quality synthetic, it's still way lighter weight than a wig by, say, Forever Young would be with the exact same length and styling. Like, the fibers that they use on the Forever Young line and the cap construction, I mean, those are basically like fantasy costume wigs, and so because of that, they tend to be way heavier. So, you know, this would easily be a 10+ ounce wig for this amount of hair if it were coming from the Forever Young line. So still, you know, very nice, lightweight, high-grade fiber. It's just they're giving you oodles of it. So this has been the very beautiful, almost decadent Sheena wig by Envy in the color Amaretto and Cream. I highly recommend the highlighted shades for this particular style, the rooted colors as well, because of the way that the highlights are positioned in the top. It just looks great. So thanks again for watching. Check out my wig store, CysterWigs.com, and I look forward to seeing you again. Till next time, bye.